Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I purchased the Airsee Efile that I'm going to be reviewing and demoing for you today. Please remember to hit subscribe and like, ring the notification bell so you'll know when I'm uploading. Here it is. Really excited to be reviewing this today. I really needed a drill so badly, so I'm super excited. And I did get these tip cutters free with my purchase. So just showing you what those look like. These are really sturdy tip cutters too, actually. Here's what it looks like when you open the package. Quickly just going through the instruction booklet for you, and then I'm just going to leave up this little clip here of where you can send in the information for the extended warranty and things. So this is the size of the drill, and I'm showing against my hand because I do have fairly small hands. So I believe this is about 5 inches tall, something like that base unit. So pretty small drill, and it does have a good weight to it. It feels very much quality. It's not like super light like the other drill that I used to have, which you'll see here. I will compare it to in a little bit. And then here's the handpiece. It is all metal. Very small as well, and it sits really nicely in the hand. I'm really, really happy with how this feels. And you can see again how small it is compared to my hand. So here's the pedal. I actually do need to get a new pedal if I want to use one. And it came with the standard bits that all the inexpensive drills come with. So I'm just showing you here the forward and reverse and how it sits in the base. So there's a little picture. It says lock right there. Can you see it? And then over here is unlock. Can you see it? Okay, so put that back in. Lock it. Always pull to check. It's in. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's turn it on and see, guys. Let's see. I'm so excited, guys. Honestly, I am so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh. It goes so slow. Here, let me put in another bit so you guys can actually see it kind of rotating. This is my old drill. Let me show you guys how big this is compared to the other one so that maybe you can tell. So this was my old handpiece. This is the new one. So they're about the same length, but this one is heavier, like a good heavy. It doesn't feel like cheap. It feels really nice, and it's real metal, and it's thinner, and it's got a thinner grip area. I think it's super comfortable to rest in the hand, guys, like super comfortable. This one was not as comfortable, and you kind of had to hold it tight because of the vibration, and just because it's so light, it wouldn't just rest. And see, if I don't hold on to it, it just kind of see falls. This one, if I don't hold on to it like that, I can just rest it there. Like, look at that. Oh, it's freaking awesome, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna set that aside. Let's just start with a mandrel. I'm just gonna pull it out of my old one, and we'll just put on, this is just a gently used band that I used, just because I'm only using it for me. So I'm just gonna pull it out of this one. This one didn't have a locking chuck, so it just pulls right out. And then this was the old drill. This is the size of it. I have fairly small hands, so you can see it was bigger than my hand. And let me turn this off so there's less glare. You can see the size compared. Like, this one is heavier, but it's smaller. This one is lighter, but it's a little bigger. So this one you can just feel that it's better quality than this one. So super excited about that. Okay, let me turn this back on. And we will open, get rid of this, put the new bit in. And I don't want it all the way in. I want it to be out a little bit. With my old one, I had to push it in all the way, otherwise it would have really intense vibration. So this one, I shouldn't have to do that. And it's in. So let's start it and see. I'm gonna leave this like this just so you guys can see kind of where I'm at with my level. I'm just barely turning it just to see how low it'll go. So that's about 1200, I believe, maybe about 1500. Can you hear it at all? Let me see if you can hear it. It's super quiet, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's turn it up. Okay, we're at 5,000 now. Still super quiet, and the vibration is so minimal. It is so comfortable. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Ah! Okay, let's turn it up. We're about 7. Okay, we're at 10 now. I'm just trying to lift it close enough to my phone that you can hear. Okay, let's keep going. That's probably about 12,500. Let's go to 15. Oops, I pushed the button. Sorry, that was my fault. Okay, so we're at 12,500. Let's go to 15. 15. Still so quiet compared to my old one. And my old one said it went to 20,000, but I don't feel like it ever went this fast. 17,500. 20,000, 25, 30. At 30,000, the vibration is, so if I hold it, the vibration stops, basically. If I stop, I can feel the vibration very minimally. I don't think I would ever run it this high. I know when you take off product with like a carbide bit, you are supposed to run it this high. I guess we'll see. Let's turn it down. Okay, guys, there it is. And then it just sits in there so beautifully. You can put your bits right in the holes. It holds 6 bits. So here's just the placeholder that it came with. So you can see it sits right in there. Oh, gosh, guys, I'm so excited. I needed a new drill so badly because the other one I had was so cheap and the vibration on it was really, really intense. So I wasn't comfortable doing my clients with it. So I ended up hand filing with them and it just took so much longer. The product, you just can't really take it off well with that old drill. And because it was so cheap of a drill, like it works for sure. This old one, it definitely works, and it was a great first drill. However, if you can like go higher in cost, do it, because this one was $24. This one was $42 because there was a 5% off coupon. So for $18, I got a way better drill that I'm so happy with. So we'll see how it works on product, but I already know it's going to be better than this one. This one was like, if I was taking off product, it would burn very, very quickly. So I wasn't comfortable using it on clients because I can feel the heat and burn on myself. I can't feel it on them. That's why I ended up hand filing everything. So I'm going to put this away, or put this to the side for a minute, and I will start prepping my nails. And yeah, so I will let you guys know what I think after I have done my nails. So I'm going to do my nails in a separate video, and then I will give you my final thoughts after I've done the nails. I'll show you how they turned out. So that's it, guys. That's how the nails turned out. The drill, honestly, it worked wonderfully. I'm so happy with it and so excited to have it. So let me know what you think down below, and if you're planning to get one, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!